Hi, I'm Dr. Miner. Today we are going to talk about threads, and I have one of my staff members here that is going to just help us demo. We're not going to actually do threads, but we're just going to talk about it. And what we're going to talk about are basically the two types of threads. And this is a smooth thread. They're typically shorter and not as thick. And this is a lifting thread. So it's much bigger than the smooth thread, and they're both used, but for different areas and different things that want to be addressed. And with the smooth threads, these are geared to use in specific areas where we want to smooth the skin or do just a little bit of lifting with the skin. So, she's not a candidate for many of the areas where we would use them, but one of the typical areas is in the 11s area, when we have those kind of deep grooves over the years from those forming. This will help lift those and soften those, in addition to using Botox. These are also great for around the lips to enhance the border and just add a little bit of plump subtleness to them. They work really well there. They're good for acne scarring, using in the cheek area for that. And sometimes they'll be even used in the neck to help just smooth the neck a little bit. So we're going to talk about the lifting threads right now. And those, since they're much longer, those are what we use to do the non-surgical facelift. And typically they're done in a pattern. We kind of start kind of around a little bit behind the eye right there. And we'll run them into the nasolabial fold. We'll run another one down here to the marionette area. Run another one down towards the jowls. Sometimes we need to use more than one in one place to get the lift. We can also refine the jawline. If we come back kind of by the ear, we can kind of run these back kind of this way, and this will pull and tighten. And with this area, these will lift and tighten. Now, she's not a candidate for this, because she's pretty young. So we're just kind of showing where they would go. And I've had several patients come in saying they've had the non-surgical facelift done elsewhere, but it really didn't seem to work. And as they were talking to me about what they had done, it sounds like they were using the smooth threads, which for this, the smooth threads are not going to get the result. It needs to be, these lifting threads, where they're longer, they're going to reach these areas, and they have little barbs on them, and they're going to lift and pull the skin and get a great result. So another place we use these lifting threads is on the neck, because a lot of people will get kind of this crepiness or kind of that saggy neck tissue. And we can run the threads, kind of around here. And this will pull and tighten the neck area to make it look really nice. So one concern that patients have had, and what they ask me is, does it hurt? And I would say with these there's minimal discomfort, and part of that is because we use anesthetic, which we inject. And so as we place the threads, the patient just can raise their hand if they need some anesthetic. We numb it, and it's very comfortable, so that helps them be put at ease. I've heard of some people that put topical all over the area. With the threads, that's really not gonna do much. So with the injected anesthetic, it's very comfortable. We get a great result.